Today is World AIDS Day. Warren Williams, the Director of HIV Prevention at BU Wellness Network, is here to tell us more about testing options and the mission of BU Wellness. Warren, good morning.
Good morning.
I'm so happy to have you here. Tell us a little bit more about BU Wellness.
BU Wellness, we are a nonprofit organization here in the city of Indianapolis. We celebrate 25 years this year.
Wow.
Our mission is to provide health and wellness to the whole state of Indiana, not just the city that we're in, but the whole state.
And so there are so many different programs and events that BU Wellness puts on in the Circle City. Tell us about some of the work that you guys do.
Absolutely. Well, as the Director of HIV Prevention, what we do in that particular division is we do testing, obviously. We do testing for the main ones. Of course, HIV, Hep C, chlamydia, and syphilis as well. Event-wise, I'm so excited that we have our end of the year celebration coming up on the 8th. It's at Turntable in Broad Ripple at 6 o'clock. So if you're not free, be my +1.
Okay, well, sounds like I have a place to be. It's so important that people get tested. Tell us why.
Because the great thing about HIV is not the disease that it used to be. It's not the ailment that it was in the past. And as today is World AIDS Day, we celebrate the survivors and we celebrate those who went on before and the pioneers. It's important to always know your status. No matter what your preferences are, it is always important to know your status, especially in some of our Black and brown communities. It is very important that you know your status. Like I said, it's not the disease that it used to be. Now you can live a very healthy and a normal life, you know, with HIV before it progresses to those advanced stages of AIDS.
So BU Wellness has many different events in the Circle City, and there is a mobile unit. Tell me more about it.
I'm really excited about our mobile unit, really excited. We have begun to make partnerships with local businesses and things of that nature. I can't say yet. We will, you know, announce it and scream it from the rooftops, but local bars and things of that nature we're making partnerships with because we do believe in testing outside of conventional hours.
And so people could also just reach out to you guys directly as well, correct?
Yeah, you can always reach out to us at buwellness.org. Also, our event coming up is a fundraiser.
Okay.
So make sure you go to buwellness.org to donate as well.
Okay. Tell us more about that event. The fundraiser. Okay,
the fundraiser is our 25th anniversary celebration, for lack of words, as well as our end of the year celebration. It is Harlem Renaissance theme at Turntable at 6 o'clock in Broad Ripple. We want you to come out and celebrate dressed in your thematic attire, Harlem Renaissance attire. It is the Renaissance of Health, is what we're calling it.
And so why is it so important for people to make donations, if you will? Because
we're nonprofit. And we can't always do the work that we do without your support. And it's your community. We serve your community, you know, from things from the BU Fresh Market to where we give out fresh food and fresh produce to the community, as well as the mobile unit. Unfortunately and fortunately, those things cost money, and we need your support.
Warren, what's the need for BU Wellness in our community?
I'm so glad you asked. Everybody, they're not as privileged as we are, you know, to have support systems and things that are there just to uplift them. But the great thing about BU Wellness is we're there with a hand of compassion, and we're also there to help you when you're sometime at your lowest point.
All right. Well, Warren Williams, thank you so much for all the great information that you offered us this morning. And I will be sure to get more details about BU Wellness on our website, wishtv.com.